Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. Today I am so excited because this is the first time I am going to share my Shopify course with all of my subscribers and you. I hope you will enjoy this course. In this video, I am going to share all information about this course. So first I want to share the course. This course name is Advanced Shopify Course for Building a Professional Store and Customize as Need. And now I'm going to share the overview of this course. In this course, I'm going to take you through an efficient process of building and customizing online store using the Shopify platform. Shopify is one of the leading e-commerce platform in the world. More than 1.7 million merchants sell using Shopify platform. And in my opinion, the most ideal place to get started building your first online store. As a designer or someone with basic web design and development knowledge, all you will need to unlock the power of Shopify is some basic knowledge of the platform and its templating language called Liquid. And that's exactly what we'll get into this course. In this following lesson, we are going to focus on building out and customizing your storefront, the use of the most popular free Shopify theme, which is basically a template that determines the way that your online store looks and feels. We learn about the theme structure, including layout, templates, sections, and snippet, how to edit your code efficiently and instantly update your storefront, and finally, how editing your code can not only update the look and feel of your website but also it's provide option within your Shopify admin to dynamically add and customize content. By the end of this class, you should have a solid understanding of what you can do with Shopify theme and the confidence to make change when you need. Whatever you want to sell your own product or use this skill to help business as a freelancer or agency, this course will get you started on the right track with developing Shopify. So, if you are ready to get started, click on the join button. Okay, so now I'm going to the next slide. What is this course include? Basically, I focus on this main section, and alongside with this main section or category you get a lot of subsection or sub lesson based on these categories. So first, understanding the Shopify e-commerce platform, how to set up a beautiful Shopify website quickly and easily, build a professional e-commerce site by using Shopify, customize each section to make the store professional and more user friendly, manage e-commerce website, commerce of Shopify, update and backup full website, business data, and customers information. So let's go in the next. Who this course is for? Anyone want to work with e-commerce? Anyone want to earn at least 1000 monthly? Take this course if you are ready to work hard to build your Shopify website. Take this course if you are decided Shopify is the right e-commerce website platform for you. So let's go on the next. So now this is the very important part, that course price and joining guide. As this is my first Shopify course, so I don't search too much. If you compare this course with others platform like Udemy, then you can see the difference. The course link, I have published this course on my website e-commerce thesis, and here is the course page from where you can add this course in the cart and join this lesson. So I hope you understand everything very clearly. I will see you in the first lesson. Have a nice day. Bye bye.